Last year, we suggested why you should put £10 on France lifting the World Cup.To showcase their incredible strength and depth. We put together 3 teams that could feature under Didier Deschamps this summer. From the pace and power of Kylian Mbappe to the goal-scoring brilliance of Antoine Griezmann, these teams combined youth with experience. Basically, this talented bunch blended the perfect match between attack and defense. It was something else. Months later, and with just 91 days until the start of the FIFA World Cup, Didier Deschamps has named his 24-man squad for a pair of friendly matches in March. If you're English, you might not want to compare your squad with the following. France will host Colombia on March 23 in St. Denis before traveling to St. Petersburg to face Russia on March 27. But who features in the 24-man squad? I hear you ask. In one of the most stacked squads I've ever come across, the likes of Paul Pogba, N'Golo Kane and Thomas Lemar feature in the midfield, while Antoine Griezmann, Ousmane Dembele and Anthony Martial will try and bag the goals up top. Sevilla striker Ben Yedder has also been named in the squad after his heroics against Manchester United this week. Seriously though, how good is this squad? Thoughts on the latest 24-man France side? Can they win the World Cup this summer? Let us know in the comments.